how to run PPC campaigns on Amazon without losing a lot of money. First off, I set up automatic targeting campaigns for the product, and I do dynamic bids down. The reason why I do that is because it forces Amazon to find keywords that convert for the lowest price possible. On this campaign, you do want to have a lower budget because what it's doing is it's actually going out and trying to find different keywords that convert, and so it may not be the most profitable. You're just looking for data. Let this campaign run for about a week before you want to pull the keyword list to learn how to optimize those keywords. Once you have keywords that do convert, you want to turn around and create a manual targeting campaign that's exact match for those keywords or those products. You can do a product targeting campaign as well. Once you've done that, you actually want to have that campaign a little bit higher budget. The reason why is these campaigns are normally profitable. When you do create these manual targeting campaigns, you want to make sure that you actually take those keywords or those products you were targeting and put them as a negative match within your automatic targeting campaign. This will make sure that they don't cross and you don't waste your money on the ads. This also forces Amazon to use your automatic targeting campaign to go find more keywords that convert for you. Follow for more tips on how to run Amazon PPC.